Hey, what do you do for a living?
I'm a senior car sales advisor in Vince Group. And today, we are here to introduce you our two new Toyota hybrid models. 𝙎𝙬𝙧𝙚，相信你们知道我是谁。My name is Joves, might not be the best, but definitely better than the rest. 看到我的脸，看到很显的哦，每个 video 都看到我哦。放心，今天有一个朋友可以介绍给你。过来，
嗨，大家好，我是小白。
白，
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 白。
哦，小白你好。
好
，OK， 今天想介绍哪一辆车给我们
？Toyota Raize 1.2 Hybrid。
哦，
呢，就是这辆咯。
OK，
Joves， 所以你知道为什么我要介绍给你这辆车吗？
如果假设你问我别的东西，我可能没有办法回答你。但是如果你问我 car 的 specs， 我了如指掌了。OK，Number one is the only 1.2 hybrid in the market. OK，Number two is the cheapest hybrid that falls under Cat A COE. OK，Number three, since it's a 1.2,
You save so much on road tax.
last but not least, since because it's a hybrid,
You save so much more on petrol.
exactly.
And on top of that, if you get this beautiful baby from us, you will definitely be the first one to drive this unit in Singapore. Now, why is that, Joves?
Because Vince Group is the only company in the market that has VAC ready stocks.
还等什么？
请进。Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking to purchase our Raize 1.2.0 hybrid, what we are offering you is
10 years free servicing,
10 years unlimited mileage warranty on gearbox, engine and hybrid battery,
10 days delivery,
and 10 years loan tenor with 100% loan. PHV drivers are welcomed as well.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 谢谢你们的观看。
Oh yeah, by the way, if you think the Raize 1.2 hybrid is too small for you, and if you are considering a bigger SUV like a Harrier or maybe like a RAV4 2.5, and you find that 2.5 road tax is too expensive, you might want to consider another SUV. It's a Toyota Corolla Cross. Okay, if you are looking to view our cars, you can drop by to Ubi Auto Megamart, unit number 0101. My name is Joves.
My name is 小白
Might not be the best, but definitely better than the rest.
Might not be too buy, but will make you wanna buy.
Let's go! In our showroom, we are located at Automobile Ubi Mega.